kiddos! Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore some exciting shapes together. Let's start with a circle. Look at this round shape. Can you find something in your room that's shaped like a circle? Maybe a ball or a plate? A circle is round and has no sides. Great job! Now let's move on to the rectangle. A rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. Can you find something in your room that looks like a rectangle? Maybe a book or a door? Awesome! Let's now learn about a triangle. A triangle has three sides. 1, 2, 3. Just like a watermelon slice or a pizza slice. Fantastic! Now let's talk about the square. This is a square. A square has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you find something in your bedroom that looks like a square? Maybe a picture frame or a block? You guys are doing amazing! Let's learn about the pentagon. This is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Can you think of 2 things that look like a pentagon? Excellent! A stop sign and a circus tent. They're both shaped like a pentagon. Amazing job, my friends! We had so much fun learning about shapes together. Now it's time to have some fun with colors. Let's start stacking our shapes by color. Can you spot the red circle? Excellent job! Here's the red circle. And here's a blue circle. A green circle. And a yellow circle. Now let's start stacking our rectangles. Here's the red rectangle, a blue rectangle, a green rectangle, and a yellow rectangle. Excellent! Moving on to our triangles. Here's the red triangle, a blue triangle, a green triangle, and a yellow triangle. Next, we have our squares. Here's the red square, the blue square, the green square, and the yellow square. The next shapes to stack are the pentagons. Here's a red pentagon, a blue pentagon, a green pentagon, and a yellow pentagon. Okay friends, grab your markers or crayons and a piece of paper and let's have some fun. I will be using our blocks for this activity, but you guys can use any of your toys or ask mom or dad for items that are safe to use and are shaped like our blocks on the screen. Okay, here's my circle block. I'll place it on the paper and I just trace all around the block. All around. And there we have a circle. Let's color the circle blue. There we have it, a blue circle. Now I'm going to use my red marker to draw a rectangle. I'll just simply trace it all around, just like that. And there we have it, a rectangle. Let's color our rectangle red. And there we have our red rectangle. Next is a triangle. I will use a green marker to trace the triangle, tracing it all around. Perfect! Here's our triangle. Let's color it green together. Beautiful! There we have it, a green triangle. I'll be using the yellow marker to draw our next shape, which is the square. Place it on the paper and trace it all around. And let's color our square yellow. And there we have our yellow square. Our next shape to trace is the pentagon. Let's place it on the paper, and I'm going to use a red marker to trace. Let's color it red. And there is our red pentagon. Great teamwork, everyone. So here we have a blue circle, a red rectangle, a green triangle, a yellow square, and a red pentagon. Okay guys, we had so much fun learning about shapes and colors and drawing together. Thank you all for joining us on this fun adventure. See you next time.